My dear buddies, so it has been raining since quite a few days in Hyderabad, and Nitin and I, we were going out somewhere on some work. Uh, and then we realized that we are at a place which has got mud, it has got rainwater, and we have our dirt bike with us. So Nitin told me that Vikas, we got to have some fun here, correct? So, well, I'm definitely not a good off-road rider, but I'm gonna try something today. So Nitin, let's rock. So buddies, this is our dirt bike. This is a Hero Impulse 150, which has been custom built and kind of upgraded and modified by our team. So she is a very capable motorcycle. So let's have some fun. And buddies, I'm wearing Clan waterproof boots. These are riding sneakers, which I made a video about a few months ago. So, well, let me do some off-road riding and then I'll let you know how these boots perform. My dear buddies, so this is how much fun you can have on a 150cc motorcycle, which is 12 years old. Well, this is what life is. It is not about feeling bad that you do not have something awesome. Whatever you have in life, make it awesome. Cherish whatever you have. Life is very simple. We make it complicated. God bless. Enjoy.